Hello little friends, welcome to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV. Today we are reading a wonderful story called Peppa Goes Swimming. Let's begin. Today is George's first time at the pool and he's a bit scared of getting in. Why don't you just put one foot in the water, suggests Daddy Pig. Maybe George should try both feet at the same time, says Mummy Pig. Splash! Mummy Pig has convinced George to jump into the water and he loves it. Splash! Grunt! Hee hee! Snort! Shouts George happily. Ho ho! Well done, George! Snorts Daddy Pig. Here is Rebecca Rabbit with her brother, Richard, and then Mummy. Hello everyone, cries Rebecca. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Richard, hold on to this float, and you can practice kicking your legs, says Mummy Rabbit. George, would you like to try kicking your legs? Says Mummy Pig. Hee hee hee, float, snort. George giggles. Ho ho, very good. Daddy Pig laughs. But please try not to splash. Grunt. Big children don't splash, adds Peppa. Big children are very good at swimming, snorts Peppa. When George and Richard are older, they'll be able to swim like us, won't they, Rebecca? Yes, says Rebecca, as she watches the boys kicking. Peppa and Rebecca race each other up and down the pool with their armbands on. They're having lots of fun swimming and splashing in the water. Oops! Richard has dropped his toy watering can into the pool. Mommy, wah! Cries Richard. Sorry, Richard, I can't reach. It's too far down, says Mummy Rabbit. Luckily, Daddy Pig is an excellent swimmer. He takes off his glasses and dives down to get the watering can. Ho ho, there you go, snorts Daddy Pig. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Well done, Daddy, Mummy Pig smiles. Oh dear, now Richard is soaking Daddy Pig with the watering can. What a naughty rabbit. Hee hee hee. George thinks it's hilarious. Everyone has had a wonderful day at the pool. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. Don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV for more fun stories like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.